Oh yeah. Where are the big bunnies?
Right here. They're over here on the west side of the house. It's so hot to be in the cages.
Oh, okay. No, this is the big bunny.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, but be careful, they might bite. No, it's vormzarter.
Chicken burner?
Gonna burn it. Take us, gonna burn it.
Abi burner da.
Nay, siran, Arby, Ari siran. Gonna mota. Chikatsi, don't worry.
Yeah.
Kezanit vachen. Oh, I think it's katsi mi zarter. No, I don't katsen. Oh, I sang loudly.
Hey, look, a bunch of chickens.
Gonna burn it.
Is it okay?
Go get it.
Barbie, can I chicken it?
Ay, baby.
More over here.
What too, Sana? No, gonna have to goat. Look, I see a goat. Are you goat?
Wait, are you sure it's like rapper?
Yeah, it's a goat.
No,
No, it ain't a goat. Look at that big old goat.
I can't see it. Oh,
That's a goat right there. No, it's a big bunny. That's the big bunny. Oh my god, what a big bunny. I think it's very snack, Arby. Nay, chicken nera. Look at the guy. Chicken nera, rooster. There's a pony. That's a pony.
where's the big bunny?
The big bunny is over there. See the small horse. I don't know what they are.
Did you notice this peacock?
Yeah, look at that peacock. Nice.
Where do you get eggs from here?
Arby gonna mota man.
Stairs will open its thing.
No, ktarni.
Poo-poo.
Ktarni tat. No, don't do that. They'll jump. Arby just walk.
Gatu?
No, it's for real. Nice peacock in Cindy. It's real.
Oh shit, that's real?
Yeah. Ik heb motor Arby. By Jana.
I hate cats.
No. Zerter duel. Just you got to Arthur. No. Pet it.
What happens if I touch this?
I don't think you can. I'll probably bite. No, I'm matern. I was matern.
No, look, lucht naar Korean.
Hi, baby.
I didn't even notice. Stella, remember when we had a cat?
Sweetheart. Oh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty.
It's old. Yeah,
I know. It likes being touched, love.
When I looked at it, I instantly knew it was old.
Okay. Nice.
Look at the whiskers. Yeah, it's really old. It's an old cat. I don't think it'll bite. I didn't even notice it over there.
I know, they do like
What the heck? Is that wearing like a fur coat or something?
Look at this chicken. Now, water nice chicken neri. Nice chicken neri water.
That's a rooster.
What kind of a chicken is that?
It's turkey.
Nice. It's a turkey. You're right. Arthur, cheese. This has some turkey. Come on, but I see a goat.
What the hell? That cat shitted all over me.
No, look at the way it's walking.
Do you have 25 cents?
That's dog food.
It's goat chicken.
Goat chicken. Okay, hold on.